In today's video, I'm going to tell you about two platforms that you can use for video generation completely free. And the best part is, you do not need to add any card details at all. The second platform even supports extend feature. You simply need to log in with your Gmail account, and after that, you can do multiple generations. Another important thing is that there is no visible credit system. And as of now, these platforms have not mentioned any fixed limit on their websites. So right now, you can use these platforms quite freely. So, let's start with the first platform. The first platform is Grok AI, and this is a Chinese platform. So this is the first one we are going to check. Let's just open it. Here, you will see the option Try Grok Chat. If you choose to download it, the application will be downloaded. But for now, just click on Try Grok Chat. After that, an interface like this will open in front of you. Here, you can sign up or log in. You can simply log in with your Gmail account by clicking on Login with Google. Once you log in, you will see a platform like this. From here, you can generate both videos and images. And if you notice carefully, there is no credit system visible here. Now, just click on the plus option, and you will get both options, create video and create image. Let me show you the video generation first. We click on Create Video. And then from here, we can attach a file. For example, we select this image for video generation. If you do not have any sample image, or if you want to create a text-to-video generation, you can do that as well. You can simply change the aspect ratio from here, and you can create both text-to-video and image-to-video on this platform for free. And as I mentioned earlier, there is no credit limit or daily limit mentioned on the platform. So, as of now, you can use it for free, and it appears to be unlimited. If then also you face limits, try temporary mail services, or your own Gmails. After some time, your video will be generated. Then you can check it and see the quality. Even though we did not give a very detailed prompt here, you can still notice the clarity in the output. One more interesting thing is that sounds are also included in the video. We can also make them say the speech. We only need to add a line in the prompt that make him say blah 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 blah, and it will do so. This video has a duration of 5 seconds, but the next platform will give us a longer duration video as it has extend feature. So, that was the first platform. Now, let's move to the second platform, which is Meta AI. Just open the Meta AI website, and here you can sign up with your Meta account. You can sign in using any of your Gmail accounts. After completing the sign-up process, you can simply click on Create Video. Here, you can also add your sample image and then describe the animation you want. For example, you can write something like, "Make these warriors fight like a real war." Then just click on Animate. And here, you will get your final result. Since our prompt was a bit raw and not very detailed, we got this kind of output. When you click on the generated video, you can see that there is an extend option available. That means you can continue or extend the video even further. You can also use multiple email accounts to log in. But as of now, there is no limit described here either, and there is no credit system shown. So I think you can create a good number of videos even with just a single account. More clearly, then we can create a much better result. So, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.